All right, there is a cardinal over there on by my neighbor's house, and I don't usually do this, but okay, unless there's a buzzer on top of their house. But this time there's a cardinal in the wire, and they say they're a sign of good luck. That someone's come back maybe to say hi, or a symbol of hope, I guess you could say. At least around up here. Other than that, they're just pretty birds. It's kind of an unusual looking cardinal too. So it might be. I don't think it's female. It's definitely a male cardinal because the females are less colorful. But anyways, there you go. A somewhat unusual cardinal for a beautiful day. Hey, here's the cardinal, and it has landed basically right in front of me. And we got chickadee over there. So, but yeah. Hey, little cardinal. Well, it blew off, but there you go. Like, share, subscribe if you love cardinals.